We're going now. We got Mitchell's tanning up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this jam. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, we blew up the motor in the E36, but we're taking it over to the car buffet. Nico's gonna throw a new motor in it, but while that motor's in it, we're gonna do something to the other motor. So we're not gonna tell you what it is, but just know it's gonna be wild. So we're taking this over there. We got this, it's still on the trailer from the event. Put it in the backyard, but we're gonna hook this thing up and go drop it off at car buffet. So let's get to it. All right, so we made it over to Nico's. We're about to get this thing unloaded. Philip's unstrapping the tire straps, and we got the ramps out. So we're gonna get this thing unloaded, park it inside, and leave it here with them. So let's get to it. All right, so the car's over here at Nico's. We put it in here in the garage, but I don't know. He's gonna fix it all up, and we'll see it when it comes back, and we'll be back out on the track for a private day. So stay tuned, and you'll see what happens. I'll probably film some of the motor build and all that, but I don't know. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so we made it back over to the car buffet. They started the car a little bit, but we're gonna check with Nico, see what they got going on, see if they figured out what's wrong with this thing, and see what we can do with it. But hopefully it'll be all good and we can save this motor. But I don't know. We're gonna go grab him and see what he thinks. Let's go. Alright, so we're here with Nico. He's gonna explain what's going on with this so far.
So far, we are still hopeful that there is no internal damage to the motor. We've checked coils, everything checks out. Next, we want to check the fuel system to make sure all the injectors are working as they should. We have smoke tested it, didn't find anything per se, but I would like to redo that and actually pressurize the intake side and see what happens. I don't think there's anything wrong with the motor.
That'd be really good.
Yeah, hoping for the best here.
Yeah, so he's gonna get to that, and I don't know. We'll just pray for the best, and we'll let you know soon. Yeah. So
hopefully it's back within the end of the week without another motor.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot for no other motor and fix this one, but we'll see what happens. So
yeah, still build another one on the side, right?
Yeah, yeah. We definitely need to build another one with some more power, NA power, maybe cammed and
high compression.
Yeah.
Maybe some higher octane.
Yeah, different gas.
Well, that's it for the update this time.
All right. All right, so we just did a bunch of burnouts in Jim's car. Look, we did the parking lot, and it flung
tire all over the PPF.
Tire all over the PPF.
Thank God for PPF.
Yeah, I know, right?
Mitch had to go and show up. And he's like, "You want to take the drift car out? All right, well, I can fucking guess so." Not really, but I mean, since you're here, only makes more sense.
We're going now. god. That guy's coming out of there. It's like, what the hell?
Just trying to be like Mitchie Drifts.
Hey, you did it.
That's my goal in the world.
In drifting.
All right, was that okay? What?
You can do better.
Let's put it Jim, the wild man up in
Think that's good?
here. Yeah.
All right, was that enough now? Was that good? Was that close? Was that close? Alright, I'm done.
Woo! Hell yeah. That was crazy, right? But yeah, it just wipes right off.
I want to see this thing Sunday.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Too grippy of tires though.
Oh yeah.
It would be fun to take it and just drive it, you know, on the interstate and shit.
Big time.
This thing's sick. Check this thing out. GT3.
Alright, who's next?
Hell yeah, so we out here at Wolf's End just hanging out with the boys and stuff. So I don't know, they're getting wild out here. So we made it back over to Nico's. He found out what's wrong with the car and it pretty much dropped a valve.
Well, I wouldn't say drop the valve. So far, what we're thinking is we have a broken spring in cylinder number 2. This guy down here. As far as the diagnosis so far, we can see this valve going up and down, and we found a spring retainer, like chunks of it. So we're gonna see if we can fix it in the car by pressurizing the cylinder and seeing if we can get lucky there. If not, it's looking like we might have to pull this head off.
Definitely not as bad as I thought it was. Though.
No.
So that's a good
not
thing.
anything too dramatic. Something like this, you know, like outside of the diagnosis, probably under $100 in parts and mainly just labor.
Yeah, easy fix. So he's gonna get to working on this over the next week or so. Hopefully we'll be back on the road soon. So I don't know. It's a lot better than we thought.
Yeah.
I thought the motor was blown or something was broke.
worked for me.
Definitely. You
That's
can hear
possible.
stuff clunking around in there. Like I was like, something's definitely messed up.
Yeah, no, this morning, or yesterday morning, it backfired at the intake too, and I'm like, either the timing is completely fucked on this thing,
Yeah.
or we have something really messed up going on in this cylinder.
Yeah. So everything else looks good.
And then if you want to see the little itty bitty chunk that kind of gave us the clue, this little guy, yeah, as soon as I saw him, I figured something's fucked up.
Yeah. So that's it for the diagnosis, and yeah, so a lot better. So I'm happy with that. He'll get this going, and we'll check back in later. All right, so we're back over at Nico's. We got the head off. It's over at the shop, and then what else?
Cylinder 2, the valve smacked the piston a bit.
Yeah, you can see that. Look at
So on that one, we're gonna have to pull the cylinder 2 piston, give it a little refresh. As soon as the head gets back, head gasket, slap it back together, and you'll be back on the road.
This thing's been over here for a minute. We've kind of been like, we didn't know if it was blown. We actually thought it was blown, and then we took the head back, and then it wasn't blown, and then...
It definitely saw a little bit of damage, but hey, we can get it back together, you know?
Yeah.
Don't need a whole new block or anything.
So final decision, we're gonna cam it. We're putting all this back together here in a few days once the head gets back from the machine shop. But I don't know, we're gonna end this video now. So be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.